this drawer?
Yeah. What are you doing?
How do you open these fancy drawers? Oh, there we go. Is it in this drawer?
Yeah.
Just,
Look at those fingers. They've been in flour.
Sorry.
What are you doing, Rick?
Baking Brian's birthday cake.
You are. Isn't
Turning
that
5
great?
tomorrow.
Mark and Rick baking cupcakes in the kitchen.
Yep. This is our mixing bowl, Sheila.
Okay.
Rick, grab a fork while you're over in the silverware drawer.
Okay, Mark. Oh, there's no forks.
No forks?
Grab a spoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're disappointed. No forks, honey.
No forks, Sheila. I gotta. Here we go. Here's what we use, Rick. The beater.
Is that what you call it, the beater?
Yeah.
You sure about that? It's not a whisk or something? It's called the beater. Spoken by a true
Pour this in
man.
here?
Yep. Rick, go ahead and
Here,
pour.
Mark.
I'll get a knife.
Let me
Rick,
grab
you
the
hold it.
directions.
I'll cut it. Beef cake mix.
Yes. So we got to put third cup of vegetable oil.
Before we put the mix in or after?
We do it all at the same time, and then we'll be probably wanting to mix it. Where do you keep your vegetable oil?
It would be right in that, it's called a Lazy Susan, Rick.
Oh.
He's got one of those too, probably. No, she's not a lazy Susan. She's a busy Susan.
Right there, Rick.
Is this it?
Yeah. It's olive oil, Rick.
Looks like tequila to me, Mark.
Have you guys been drinking
smell it,
tequila
dude.
while you're making this cake?
Rick has.
Huh?
No.